welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you my own goals and resolutions for 2018, and to make it a little more exciting for you to watch, I'm also going to share how I made this inspiration board. If you watched my previous video on 5 tips how to make the most of your new year, I think you'll definitely enjoy these personal examples, and if you haven't seen it yet, I'll add the link in the description box below. First of all, I want to reduce the amount of waste we produce in our home. This means recycling and reusing whenever possible, composting, buying less packaged goods, as well as using environmentally friendly products such as glass containers and reusable bags. Minimizing clutter, specifically getting rid of anything we don't use, donate and resell whatever we don't need, and stop buying anything that is not essential, which will also help us avoid unnecessary spending and keep the house more organized and clean. Improving finances. Paying off my credit card and student debts. Start saving and be in control of our financial capabilities. Focusing on health. In order to live a more rewarding lifestyle, I want to become more active, taking daily walks, going bike riding, and stretching regularly, as well as taking supplements and vitamins to ensure that I'm always feeling at my best. Part of a healthier lifestyle includes improving my diet. I want to cook more diverse and vegetable-based foods, eating out less, and packing lunch from home, which also helps with saving money and waste reduction. Aside from taking care of my body, I also want to start taking better care of my appearance. While I want to minimize the amount of products I use, I want to pay more attention to how I present myself at home and out. This includes doing something nice with my hair more often and creating a more functional and elegant wardrobe, as well as work out more to feel more confident in my own body. Increase productivity. This year I want to apply my 70-30 progress maintenance rule and be better organized to get more things done. There are many projects I have been putting off for a while, and I would like to get a lot of them done this year. Learning and growth. I want to read more educational books, take online courses to learn new skills and improve on existing interests like drawing and writing, as well as video production and photography. Travel and create memories. I want to go on more road trips and fly to faraway places, documenting the beautiful scenery and special moments along the way. I also have very few pictures of me from our previous travels, so I want to be less camera shy in the future. Socializing more. I've been a bit of a hermit this past few years and avoid frequent social events outside of our family and close friends. So this year, I will try to go out to more parties, festivals, conferences, workshops, and other social events. That is it for now. I don't think I'll be adding much more to the list, but if you have any suggestions or would like to share what you're up to in 2018, please comment down below. I would love for us to support and motivate each other throughout our journeys, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye. As promised, here's the how-to for the inspiration board. I gathered all of my favorite images and quotes from the internet. For me, this includes a lot of healthy lifestyle, nutrition, and workout motivation, as well as quotes that encourage minimalism, travel, pursuing your dreams and passions, and images of women I find inspirational. I arranged these images using Adobe Illustrator on a 20 by 30 inch canvas, which is the same size as my poster board, to make sure that all of them fit well in a consistent and organized layout. I then divided images into printable 8.5 by 11 inch pages and printed them out. To make sure I don't have to worry about spacing between each images when gluing, I cut out images in blocks instead of cutting out each image individually. Then, using a double-sided roll-on craft tape, I attach the images to the board. If you have a glue stick, it should also do the trick. board itself is one of those light poster foam boards that is light enough to hang on a wall using 4 push pins, one on each side. You can see that I taped the images on a little crooked, so it created uneven spacing on the edges of the board, particularly on the right side and the bottom, but I decided to make the best out of it using these spaces to add a few more features. On the bottom, I stretched a string using few pins and attached my monthly calendar pages using a small binder clip. In the top right corner, I hung a little trinket with a quote from the book Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, which is one of my favorite books of all time. It says, "All the wonders you seek are within yourself." It looks kind of cute and distracts from the uneven edges. Thank you again for watching. I really hope this video will inspire you to commit to your own goals for the year, and perhaps you can start doing so by creating your own inspiration board. Wishing you all the best, and see you in the next video.